Want to buy or import spare parts and accessories from Japan? Send spare parts inquiry at JapaneseCarTrade.com. Click on Spare Parts Inquiry from Inquiry menu. Fill Spare Parts Inquiry form with make, model, manufacturing year, chassis number, engine model, condition, new or used, shipment method, message. Fill contact details like name, country, destination port, email, phone, Skype, buyer type, individual or a parts dealer, and press the Submit Inquiry button. Thank you for your inquiry. JCT will forward your inquiry to hundreds of trusted new and used auto parts exporter in Japan. Get offers by email from exporters. Negotiate to get spare parts in your budget. No commission. No transaction fee. No hidden cost. Free, safe and secure. High quality, new and used Japan cars available on sale. Visit our website now. JapaneseCarTrade.com. We are associated with Jumvia, Safe Trade, Sludge, SLBCJ. Follow us on social media. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.